customer number 11.
Oh.
Clean them off.
It's okay. I'll clean them when they're put.
No, I gotta clean the back so the glue.
Oh, the back seat. The back seat.
Okay. Makes you fall. Oh, tired.
Tienes noodle arms? Little bits. Yeah, that's too much.
This side, yeah, anything else? Did you get the right one?
No, ¿te di el 10? Still have all of these to do, and they're over there. Vas a ocupar aquí el 7. So this is with no grout right here. Looks all finished. Hi guys, so this is a little update of how it looks. Everything has grout already, as you guys can see. He even put the trim, the white trim, and this is how it looks. Let me show you guys. He still needs to do the railing right here, and this one he's going to remove it as well. We decided to do stainless steel. He is a stainless steel welder, so he wanted to do something custom made. He hasn't gotten to it, but he will hopefully either this week or next week. I think by the end of this week. So let me just show you guys how it looks. Like this, and then there's trim right here. There's a little landing. Then we go up the stairs, and he did the trim. There's a little piece right here that needs to be taken off as well. This is how it looks. I was cleaning yesterday, so we ended. This is my bedroom, my daughter's bedroom, their bathroom. So this is what we did in their bathrooms. We ended up buying new vanities, and that doesn't match now, but going to paint. I was undecided if I should do gray or if I should do like a blue. I'm really into this blue. So this vanity is really pretty, as you guys can see, and it goes really well with the bathroom. So he did the vanity, and also we put a new toilet. I did not film any of this because it was pretty frustrating for him. We also installed shower doors because the kids always drop a lot of water. And this is how it looks. I absolutely love it. I still haven't found artwork for this bathroom. Here's the paint swatches again. Tell me in the comments which one you like better, the gray or the blue. And yeah, this is the bathroom. This was fully updated as well. Here's where the stairs go. And then here's another bedroom, which at the moment is just my office. Right there. This is my work laptop, and then this is just my iMac that I have right here. My little refrigerator that my kids gifted me for my office, and I decorated like this. I'm still not done, but I really like this room. Here's little kitty. I do laundry here as well, so that's why you guys see that. My son did this amazing puzzle. It was a 1,000 piece puzzle. I think it's absolutely cute. It's gorgeous, as you guys can see. I don't know. I might frame it because I think it's cute. And then right here, we want to buy an entertainment center that goes right there, a huge one that goes from wall to my son's door. This is my son's bedroom right here. So the floor ends right there, and then this is the laundry. And I still haven't updated this laundry room. I really want to, but I haven't had any time or budget because all of this floor was really expensive. There's trim on this room all the way around. He even did the closet right here. Sorry, this is my laundry room, so it's not the prettiest. But yeah, here's the cat's genie for his poop. That works wonderful. If you guys have a cat, I suggest you buy one of these. Before I had this, the bathroom smelled like poop all day long because their poop is really strong. But now that we bought this, it's like a miracle. You put the poop in there in a baggie and the house is pretty clean and it doesn't even smell like anything. What are you doing, Mommy? What is that? It's just a sock, you silly baby. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mommy. Hi. 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 Why are you so cute? Why are you following me? I love you. She is the cutest little cat in the world. Well, yeah, guys, this is a little update. So let me show you guys. This is my room. And because I like matchy things, we ended up buying this vanity for my bathroom. It's a double sink. And it's the same vanity as the kids. It's just sitting right here in my room because my husband hasn't been able to get to it. And the bathrooms are honestly a lot of work. Plumbing is not his best subject or whatever. So that vanity is going to replace this vanity. As you guys can see, this one is so ugly and outdated. We already put a new toilet. I really want to replace this bathtub and all of that because it's so ugly and so outdated. But for the moment, we don't have the budget, so we are just sticking to the vanity and the floor right here. We do have the floor, and it is right here. This is what's left over. This is how much he used in the kids' bathroom, so we're crossing our fingers that it is enough. So yeah, that is the whole renovation so far. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions. For now, let's just continue on with the video.